Here is our main page. There are 3 options to choose from, and we will go over all of them very shortly. First, let's look at running models on a new case. On this page, you can enter the entire case text, including service requested, background information, and any other assessments. There's an option to upload a file, which accepts text, doc, and PDF file extensions. Let's make the text area a little bit bigger and paste the sample text. Once you click Submit button, all of the models we've mentioned are going to be run. It can take a little while, but for the purpose of this presentation, we'll fast forward to the result page. Here is our result page. You can see the text that was given as the input. The result of the text summarization model, which gives us a concise, abstracted version of our input text. Keywords that may hold relative importance over other phrases. Entity relations that give us information about the subjects and objects in the case, and relations or actions between the two. Top 2 out of 8 total categories of abuse types that may be present in our case. A risk score ranging from 0 to 1, indicating whether it is a low, medium, or high risk case, along with some of the words from the text that may affect a child's well-being. And finally, 5 most similar cases are shown, each with their summary, country where the service is requested, status of the case, risk score, and a link to view more details. Let's take a closer look at one of these cases. You can see all these details, such as case open and close dates, service requested, and outcomes from our various models. You can continue to browse similar cases by clicking these links as shown here. You can also translate any page on our app to any of the 108 languages available with Google Translate. Let's go back to the main page. Now we'll look at how we can query our database. You can either choose to view all cases or filter cases by select features. Let's say we want to see only open cases that opened in the United Kingdom. You can freely add any other search criteria, such as dates, service requested, or any keywords that the case text might contain. As you can see, we have 4 cases in the database that are still open and are based in the UK. You can order the result alphabetically or chronologically. Let's try viewing all cases. We have 224 cases in the database. You can choose the number of cases for each page to view, order them by date, and search for a keyword present in the rows. If we go to Dashboard, we have 3 graphs to help visualize the characteristics of the found cases. In the first graph, you can view the number of reported cases according to the country where the service is requested. You can zoom around and see all of the country names, as well as the case frequency. In the second graph, you can see the proportion of the services provided. Currently, we have 2 broad service categories of child protection and children on the move, but you can add more detailed service types as needed. In the third graph, we can see the distribution of the found cases by the months that the cases were opened. Now let's go back to the main page again. Finally, if you click on the court cases visualization option, it'll take you to this page, showcasing child court cases from around the world as a point of reference for ISS caseworkers. Similarly as the other map shown earlier, you can view the number of cases by country and see which countries have the most cases related to child welfare. We can also view cases by the year a judgment decision was made and get a general idea on what are some of the main topics present in these case files. And here are the links to each case file if you wish to take a closer look. This work was done in tandem with our main project, outside our pipeline. This example shows the power of data retrieval combined with data analytics capabilities, and this framework can be directly applied to ISS's own data. That is all for the demonstration of our final deliverable.